When you're in the fresh products business, reliability is essential. One disruption can slow production or affect quality. Our customers depend on our systems every single day. So for us, it's not just about making machines, it's about making certain they perform consistently.
Bread has been part of our life for centuries, but the craft of baking has evolved dramatically.
Today, many industrial bakeries use vacuum cooling and baking. The air pressure is manipulated to reduce the boiling point of water to just several degrees centigrade. Vacuum cooling and baking saves time, space and energy, and it results in a better end product.
One of the pioneers in vacuum cooling and baking is the Dutch company Verhoeven.
Verhoeven is a leading OEM manufacturer of food production equipment. We provide cutting-edge turnkey solutions. The industrial bakery sector is one of our main focus markets, and our vacuum cooling and baking solutions set the standard well above global competitors.
To maintain that high standard, Verhoeven works closely with Atlas Copco.
In our business, even small disruptions can affect production output and consistency. As an OEM, we want to make our products as energy efficient and reliable as possible for our customers. Because we are a system integrator, we need insights into every subsystem within our turnkey solutions. That's the only way to understand the overall health of a production line. We already collect a lot of data, but the real challenge is interpreting that data accurately and in real time.
Atlas Copco provides Verhoeven with more than just vacuum technology. We also deliver consultancy services. Unlike traditional service, consultancy services looks at the entire vacuum installation in real operating conditions, enabled by Genius Instant Insights, our remote connectivity solution. By combining operating data with expert analysis, it reveals efficiency gaps, predicts potential failures, provides actionable recommendations, and supports smarter maintenance decisions, aligned with each customer's productivity and energy efficiency targets.
With the consultancy services, we gain clear insights into how our systems and vacuum pumps perform together. The consultancy reports help us build knowledge and improve our understanding of preventive maintenance by clearly highlighting deviations in pump behavior through graphs, tables, and matrices. Proactive email alerts help us take timely action to prevent pump failures before they occur. The recommendations also support decision-making by defining clear next steps.
Consultancy services provides detailed insights into how energy is used across the vacuum system. It highlights where efficiency can be improved and where energy is being wasted.
What matters is that the vacuum pump delivers exactly what is needed, no more, no less. With consultancy services, we can clearly see how the pumps perform. This helps us avoid oversizing, reduce unnecessary load, and eliminate energy waste. For our customers, the impact is immediate. Consultancy services have helped them reduce energy consumption for pumps on idling speed by 50%. Lower energy consumption means lower operating costs day after day.
The numbers don't lie. With consultancy services, up to 80% of the most common vacuum pump failures can be predicted and avoided. Maintenance expenses can be lowered by up to 30% with the service strategy tailored to each customer's business goals. And like Verhoeven, reductions of 50% in idling speed energy consumption can be achieved.
Information is a cornerstone of the technological leadership we cultivate. It is an essential element in maintaining our leading market position. Atlas Copco's consultancy services provide us with detailed information to enhance future systems and processes.
If you want to improve efficiency, reduce energy consumption, and increase uptime of your process, it starts with understanding how your vacuum system performs as a whole. Connect with Atlas Copco's service experts to define your goals and get started with consultancy services today.